Hey everybody, it's about Tyler here at OG Gamers World, OG Gamers Live, and we're back. And it's been about a year since I built the computer in the Kediers C590 case, and I thought that I would give y'all a 1 year update. For those that are just tuning in and don't know it, it's a budget case. It comes with 9 fans with an RGB/fan controller, and at the time I got it, it was like $129.95 over on Newegg, and you can find them on sale sometimes. 109, 119. Sometimes they go up, sometimes, but they're a pretty affordable case. I mean, where else are you going to find a case that comes with 9 fans and a RGB/fan controller for that kind of money? They're hard to find. And as long as you don't get really deep into it, it looks like a premium case. But it is made out of really light stamped steel, like you could bend these panels if you weren't careful. But here's the thing. I'm not taking it to LAN parties. I'm not chucking it in the car. Or I'm not taking it anywhere. It just sits there and it does what it does, so it's fine. The original goal was, and always has been that at some point in the future I will replace that case and those fans, but I'm not going to do that until the fans quit or the controller quits or something like that. And so far it's been just fine. I get a lot of questions on the original video about what motherboard fits, what video cards fit, and I can't give you all the specifics on every single video card that's going to fit in that case or every single motherboard. It's an ATX form factor. If it's an ATX motherboard, it should fit. That's all you need to know. As far as video cards go, I'll give you something to reference, and you can do your homework. But as you can see, that is an RTX 3090 Ti. That is an NVIDIA Founders Edition card. And fun fact, that card is a few millimeters larger than NVIDIA's RTX 4090 Founders Edition card. So even the 4090 will fit as long as it's the FE card from NVIDIA. Not a board partner, but from NVIDIA. The cable does touch the glass when I close the door. Cable Mod makes an adapter that would solve that problem just fine, but unfortunately it's not in my budget right now. So, yeah. The only real complaint I've ever had with this case has to do with the fact that it's an all-white case, the fans are all white, and then the fan cables are black. Come on, Kediers. Even Betru cables their fans and their AIO with white cabling if it's white. See there? I know you can just barely see it, but the cable to it is white, and these top 3 fans are from Betru, and they're cabled in white. So I've got the 3 fans that came in this case put up over on the shelf over. That way, if I ever have to replace a fan, I've got 3 extra fans. And a lot of people, they don't understand that this was a budget build. Yes, I had a little bit more than some people, but you have to keep in mind that the computer it replaced, the one that got stolen last August, cost over 3 times as much. Even though it had just a 3090 in it, it was a Zotac Trinity, and the MSRP on that Zotac card at the time was $2,000. It had an AMD Threadripper 3960X in it, which was over $1,000. It had a Gigabyte TRX 40 designated motherboard at that time was over $700, and you can't touch either one of those now. They're unobtainium, and if you do find it, like the motherboard's going to be $3,000, and they're going to want $2,000 for that CPU. You just can't afford it. So I had to go with an AMD 5900X and a ASRock motherboard, and I saved a bunch of money that way. And I managed to upgrade the video card and saved $900 because I got that 3090 at the end when it was about $1,100. The original MSRP on that 3090 Ti was almost $2,000. and I got it at the end when it was almost half price. So yeah, I had a decent budget, but it wasn't nowhere near what the other computer was. I hope that clarifies things. It's been a great case for the money. There is one other case that I would recommend over it on a budget build, and you can find that case in other video here on my channel. But if I was going to build another budget build today, and I wanted to do it all in white, and I wanted to go for that Lion Lee look without spending Lion Lee money, yes, I would buy that Kediers C590. I'd do it again. It just looks real good. It's performed. It's done everything it's supposed to do. I haven't had any problems out of it. I mean, what else can I say about it? So, yeah, I hope that helps. Till next time, this is my Tyler over at OG Gamers World, OG Gamers Live. Y'all stay safe wherever you are in the world today, and I'm out of here.